Hi Filipino learners! Kamusta kayo? My name is JC and in today's video, we will talk about interrogative pronouns. Let's get started. Okay, today we will talk about 8 interrogative pronouns. The first one is sino and sinu-sino. They both mean who in Filipino. So sino is if you're just asking about one person. If it's more than one person, sino-sino. Okay? Let me show you with a few examples. Sino ka? Who are you? So you're just asking about one person, sino. Sino ito? Who is this? Sino ang kasama mo? Who are you with? So again, you're probably talking to someone and that person is with one person. So you used sino. But let's say the person you're talking to is with 2 persons or 3 persons. You would ask, sino-sino ang mga kasama mo? Who are you with? Next one, sino-sino ang makakapunta? Who will be able to attend? Or who will be able to come? So in here, you're asking for more than one name because you used sino-sino. Next is kanino or kani-kanino. They both mean whose or to whom in Tagalog. And again, kanino is for singular, kani-kanino is for plural. Now let's try them in sentences. Kanino to? Whose is this? Kaninong libro to? Whose book is this? So this time I used kanino with an ng because I specified the object. Libro or book. So you have to add ng if you will be specifying the object whose ownership is in question. Next is kani-kaninong mga pirma yan. Whose signatures are these? Again, I added ng at the end of kani-kanino because I specified the object whose ownership is in question. Another example, kanino mo ibibigay yan? To whom will you give that? Next one, we have kailan, which is when. Halimbawa, kailan ka aalis? When will you leave? Kailan ang kaarawan mo? When is your birthday? Bakit means why. Bakit ka nakangiti? Why are you smiling? Bakit siya nandito? Why is she here? Next one is ano or ano-ano. They mean what in Tagalog. And again, ano is for singular and ano-ano is for plural. So here are some examples. Ano ang ginagawa mo? What are you doing? Ano ang gusto mong gawin? What do you wanna do? Okay, ano-ano ang mga binili mo? What did you buy? This time you use ano-ano because probably when you saw that person, they're holding what they bought and it's obviously more than one object or more than one thing. So you ask what they are in plural, ano-ano. And sometimes you'll hear us Filipinos say, anong ginagawa mo, anong gusto mong gawin, ano-anong mga binili mo. So it's just a shorter form of ano-ang or ano-ano-ang. Okay, next one is alin. This means which in Tagalog. Halimbawa, alin ang mas mura? Which one is cheaper? Alin ang mas gusto mo? Which one do you like more? The next one is saan and nasaan. These two both mean where in Tagalog. Basically, the difference is you use nasaan if you're asking where the location of an object and a person is, while you use saan when you're asking where an action or an event took place. Halimbawa, saan ka nag-aaral? Where do you study? So here, you're not asking for a location of an object, but where the act of studying is taking place. Saan siya nagtatrabaho? Where does he or she work? Right? So again, you're not asking for a location of a person or an object, but rather where the action of working is taking place. Now let's use nasaan. Nasaan ka? Where are you? So yeah, you're asking where the location of the person you're talking to is. So we use nasaan. Nasaan ang libro ko? Where is my book? Again, you're asking for a location of an object this time. The book or my book, ang libro ko. Okay? So we use nasaan. Now, if you need a more elaborate explanation about the difference between nasaan and saan, or just want to see more examples, I made a separate video discussing how they differ. I will be placing the link on the description. Next is paano, which means how. Paano mo nalaman? How did you know? Paano ka nakarating dito? How did you get here? Well, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them at the comments. And for more videos like this, please click subscribe. Salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.